front of me is Nubia Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and hitting Notification and Status bar. Now tap on App Notifications at the top and click on All Apps to select one of those filters, like apps with most frequent notifications. Then using blue sweaters block them. And to switch them back on, hit on gray ones. You can also select any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!